how you all doing? My name is techsalieucyberking. I'm a digital marketer and also a mobile geek. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you two amazing tutorials. Okay, the first tutorial is a website called onscreen.com. Okay, the use of that website is how you can try to change your video background without any green screen. Okay, the second tutorial is an app called 𝐓𝐿. What is the use of that app called 𝐓𝐿? For example, if an unknown caller called you and you don't know the person, you have no clue about the person, okay, all you need to do is to take their phone number and also save it into that into your contact list. Okay, as long as you have the app, it will register in that app. Okay, so example, like if they have used that number, that unknown caller, if he or she has used that number to any WhatsApp account, you can easily see it. Okay, you can easily trace their WhatsApp account, and also if they have used that account, if they have used that phone number to any of their Facebook account, you can also able to trace them. Okay, so that is all about the tutorial. But before jumping into the tutorial, guys, please, I want you to do me a favor. If you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, I want you to subscribe now and press the bell icon, okay, so that every time I drop a video, you'll be notified about it. Okay, so before wasting any time, let's jump and do it. Okay, guys, the first tutorial that we have to look at is to change the video background, okay, without any green screen. So all we need to do, guys, is to go to our search bar called onscreen.com. okay, so let's just wait, guys. The website will soon open. Okay, once the website is open, guys, all you need to do is to tap on upload a clip. Okay, guys, so that is it. Let me just go to my files and choose like a short video. Let me just try, okay, and see, guys. So as you're seeing, guys, the video is uploading. Cool about this website is that once you upload your video, guys, you can customize your background, guys. You can choose, example, like if you have like a background in your gallery, you don't have any background in your gallery, so you don't worry, guys. You can just, like, as you seen, guys, where you see like this image at the right hand corner, guys, you can just tap on image, guys. It will show you, guys, different kind of backgrounds that you can choose. Okay, guys, this is just one of my crazy that you know that I do. Don't worry, guys. Okay, now, okay, good, bingo, this is the original video, guys. Okay, let me just show you the original video. This is the original video, guys. Okay, so let me just go to the image, guys. As you seen, you can customize your background, guys. You can choose any sort of background that you want, guys. Okay, you can also choose color, guys. As you seen, green, red, guys. Okay, image also, but as you seen, guys, okay, wood, blue. Okay, guys, as you see, if you want also, guys, if you have any background, guys, in your gallery, you can also go there and choose a background of your choice. Okay, guys, as you see. So let's go, guys, to our select file, okay, and find it find a background, guys, that you want. Example, like if it happens to be that we have a background that we want to put in the back on the back of the video, guys, you can also do that. Okay, for example, like this one, guys, let me just try this one. Okay, as you see, guys, that is all about the video, guys. Okay, once you are done, guys, all you need to do, guys, is to tap on download. Okay, for example, let's say this is what we want. Okay, guys, so all you need to do is to tap on download. Okay, guys, so to download the video. Okay, now the video is downloading. Okay, that is all about the tutorial. The tutorial is so up, guys, trust me, you like it. You can also try it. Okay, so that is all about the first tutorial, guys. Let's just try to download this one and go also on the next tutorial. Okay, guys, so this is all about the first tutorial. Okay, it's so cool, you can try it. Okay, you can try it, guys. Okay, so yeah, it's 7. Let's just exercise some little patience. Okay, it will soon complete, guys. Okay, so that is all. That is it, guys, about this video, guys. That is it. If you want to open it, guys, we can also open it. It has already saved in our gallery. Okay, so so for not wasting any time, guys, also let's try to go, guys, on the second tutorial. Okay, on the second tutorial, guys, is In the second tutorial, guys, it's an app called 𝐓𝐖𝐍𝐒. Okay, what is the use of? I've already explained about the use of that app. Okay, so let's go to our Play Store. Yeah, that is it, guys. All we need to do, guys, is to install this app. Okay, guys, call ID calls data, that is it about the app, guys. Okay, call ID. So once let's just try, guys, to install it into our device. Okay, so once we install it, guys, I will show you guys what I'm gonna show you guys. When the app is installed, guys, I'm gonna show you the amazing features of this app. Okay, if you like get a call, guys, from any unknown person, guys, and you do not let me just try, guys, to open this app. Okay, get started, guys. Okay, like icon, let me just choose this one, guys, set as default. Okay, here we just have to accept, like, to allow some little permissions, guys. Okay, show call ID, guys. Okay, just need to accept, guys, with the background for incoming call. Okay, no, let us just, guys, yeah, that is it, guys. So it's done. Just try to put my phone number, guys. Okay, let me just try to put any phone number. So let's just exercise some little patience. 6916. Okay, that is it. I have already verified this one, guys. Yeah, alright, this is me. Okay, so guys, one of the most important thing about this app is that if an unknown person, guys, call you, you can just enter their phone number in this app. Okay, once you enter it, guys, it will show you all the details about the person, all their informations, guys. If they are using WhatsApp or they are using phone number, it will show you, guys. As you see, guys, this is my contact. Okay, like, also, guys, if anyone's called you, guys, you can also do the same thing. You can also tap. As you see, guys, it has a lot of features, guys. For example, like these are the contact that I have in my phone. Okay, for example, guys, all these contact, guys, I can search for them, guys. I can I can see example, like anyone, guys, whether it happened to be the person, the person, or you don't know the person. All you need to do is just to save the person, just to save the number, guys, into a device. Okay, once you save the number into a device, all their information. For example, like this is one of my customers. Yeah, 𝗪𝗧𝗛𝐶. As you see, guys, if you want to go into their WhatsApp, guys, I will easily go there. I also have access to go on to their Facebook account. Okay, guys, one of the most beautiful thing about this app, guys, is that every time you have a call, as far as you set the app in default, guys, like every time you make a call or you receive a call, guys, it will leave you with a quotation. Okay, let us just for example, okay, no, I'm just saying this out. Oh God. Okay, wait, guys. Okay, so that is all about the tutorial, guys. Anyways, guys, that is all about the tutorial, and if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe. Let me know in the comment section down below that you subscribe. Okay, I'll try my best to reply a comment. Okay, so see you on the next video. Peace.